Hi, hello Japan. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Today, I enjoy tonkatsu. I tell you the easiest tonkatsu and tonkatsu sauce recipe today. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First of all, I introduce the ingredients. 1 sheet of pork, about 150 grams of pork. A little of salt and pepper. 3 tablespoons of flour. 1 egg. And 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. For tonkatsu sauce, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. First, make the tonkatsu sauce. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1/2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and mix it. Turn on the heat and simmer it. When the sauce boils, transfer it to a small bowl. A simple tonkatsu sauce is completed. Next, make the tonkatsu. Make a cut in the pork part with a knife. This process prevents the pork from deforming when frying the tonkatsu. Next, prick the pork several times with a fork. By making small holes in the pork, you can cook it through the meat in a short amount of time. Then, sprinkle the pork with salt and pepper. Turn the pork over and sprinkle it again. Coat the pork. Sprinkle flour all over the pork. Make sure there are no gaps. Next, firmly attach the egg to it. Firmly coat the back and side with egg. Finally, bread the pork. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can make it by mashing hard bread. Pour plenty of oil into the frying pan and turn on the heat. Heat the oil to 180 degrees Celsius. If you put the wooden chopstick in the oil and see small bubbles, it's a sign that it's warmed to the right temperature. Put pork in oil. After about 1 to 2 minutes, when the surface of the tonkatsu is colored, turn it over. After another 1 to 2 minutes, when the tonkatsu turns brown, remove it from oil. Cook the tonkatsu in a remaining heat for about 1 minute. Finally, cut into bite-sized pieces with a knife. The basic tonkatsu and tonkatsu sauce are completed. Today, I introduced a very easy tonkatsu recipe. In Japan, there are other dishes that use tonkatsu, such as katsudon and katsu curry. Someday, I will introduce those recipes.
Thank you for reviewing Hawaiian tonkatsu. It is easy to cook and so delicious, so please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!